This is gonna be a pretty bad video, but I'm gonna throw the thermostat in my okay, in my '01 Dodge 24 valve. That's great. I know you can't see anything because I'm using a darn GoPro, and they have no such thing as lighting on them, so like if you thought there was such thing as lighting on a GoPro, you would be wrong. So I'm happy my truck has a light. Anyway, I took the old one out to go get the new one. Can't hardly read that at all. I don't know what size this is. I just gave him the thermostat and it's like, match that. It's I guess that's the Lippin part number. It's a wood seal. I want to be sure to get the seal because so it comes with your truck, I'm sure. I'm gonna jump up here. Oh gosh. Alright, move all this. Your thermostat, you can't see anything because it's dark. Your thermostat is right there. It's under that. It's got 3 8mm bolts. So, yeah. Be back with you whenever I get that thing off and get this. Alright. Okay, this is the new one. New filter, or a new thermostat. And it's gonna have to. Oh, shoot. Got my flashlight. It's going in that. Looks like a hole. But that's where it's going, and you're not gonna be able to see it because, you know, there's a thing called night, and it sucks. I think you're saying it a little bit better right there. Anyway, I guess it just goes in just like that. I'm actually gonna do something like that, make it all pretty. And then you set this back over it and put the bolts back on, and it's good. So, yeah, guys. If you thought that was helpful, that was pretty hard to do because you couldn't see anything. It's kind of awesome. But yeah, I'll try to make the next videos that I do on this truck in the daylight so you can actually see something. But yeah, replacing a thermostat ain't that hard. It's just undoing 3 bolts. I pulled that other one out of here, that's why it wasn't already in there, which you didn't even see that. But yeah, I don't know what the next thing will be on this truck that I do, but it'll be in the daylight, I'll tell you that much. So yeah, it'll probably be replacing that or the air filter. But yeah, guys, if you like that, just bear with me, even though this video is junk. But I will see you guys in the